In this lesson, boys and girls, we are going to be taking a look at fractions greater than 1. So the directions say, write the fraction shown. So in order for us to begin solving the problem, I'd like for us to actually take a look at the denominator or the bottom number first, okay? So this bottom number here, it says number of parts in one shape. Now, in one rectangle, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 parts. So that is going to be our denominator, which is 4. For our numerator, we're going to look at the total number of shaded parts. So we can multiply, which is 4 times 3, which is 12, and 1 more gives us 13, or we can count each shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the fraction for this picture is 13/4, or 13 over 4. Let's take a look at another problem. Now here we have a number line, and this is similar to what we did yesterday. So the first thing that we're going to do once again is look at our denominator or our bottom number. And the denominator here is the number of parts between 0 and 1. So let's count the number of parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 parts between 0 and 1. And the next thing we're going to do is to fill in our numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So that part number here that we're looking for is the 3. So our fraction is 3/4. Another example, we're going to do it the same way. We're going to look at the number of parts in one shape. So when I look at one triangle, it is separated into 2 parts. For our numerator, we're going to look at the total number of shaded parts. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1 more makes 9. So our fraction is 9/2. When we look at our number line to find our fraction, again, starting at the denominator, we're going to look at the number of parts between 0 and 1. Now remember, boys and girls, we're not going to go all the way to the 2. We just want to take a look at the parts between the 0 and the 1. So when we look at that, we have 1, 2 parts, okay? Now we're going to look for the part number. Where is this dot located on this number line? So let's begin filling in the numbers. So we have 1/2, 2/2, 3/2, 4/2, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so our part number there is 3. Okay, so our fraction is 3/2. Now it is very important once we are looking at wholes greater than 1 that we not make a mistake and do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's going to give us the wrong denominator. Again, we're only looking at the parts between the 0 and the 1. Okay, so keep that in mind as you go through today's lesson. As always, you can give me a call if you have any questions or concerns. Take care and have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.